Good day, sir. I am Paul Ryan Eliseo of BS ECE 3A2, and this is my video output on our homework number 1 on ECE 36 Laboratory, wherein we're going to create a tutorial video on how to install Arduino and how to configure and demonstrate the installment process of this Arduino application on our own PC, laptop, or desktop. So, starting with... Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to search Arduino IDE. Signal. And then just click this Arduino. After clicking Arduino, we can see here Arduino IDE 2.3.7. So here you can see kung anong specs kang imong laptop or PC is using, either Windows, Linux or Mac OS. So in our case, we're going to use Windows OS 10, and then just click download. After clicking download, here ma-appear siya kara sa atin yung download icon. Ang time nga kung saan na ma-download na ang atin nga Arduino IDE nga file application nga going to install sa atin nga laptop, no? Wherein nga gamitin natin in a while karon kung okay, so since we have successfully downloaded it, so we're just going to open the file. Click open the file. And then here you can ma-appear ang license agreement or term of service. Accept the term of agreement, then I agree. After agreeing, I choose installation options, which should application be installed. Anyone who uses this computer. Okay. Next is the destination of folder. So, makita natin dyan kung din mo gusto nga ibutang yung mga folder, which is either sa desktop mo, sa PC mo, or what. No? Arduino IDE. So, in our case, sa program files, under sa Arduino IDE, no? Atin. And, okay. And then, install. So, going to wait hanggang ma-install ang atin yung Arduino IDE setup. So, it is important man nga all installment and all process are being followed, so that nga ora kita ti may mamiss nga installment kag we could run properly our Arduino, or we could run properly the program that we want in our Arduino, no? So now we have successfully completed Arduino IDE setup. Now let's click finish. After clicking finish, no, masulod kita yun sa atin nga Arduino IDE nga. So after clicking to open file, no, madto kita rin dyan sa atin nga Arduino nga sketchboard. So here we're going to before we sa amo dyan natawag nga sketch, no, nga which is gina-upload natin sa atin nga Arduino, no. But before we write our sketch here, dapat maselect na kita ka atin nga board. So anon country, and ang atin nga board port country, and atin nga board nga Arduino Arduino Uno because we're using Arduino Uno. Huh? Okay. So now that we have already so before natin nga mag-write kita ka sketch, no, make sure natin yung atin nga this one, ang atin nga Arduino is connected sa atin nga port so that nga ma-write natin nga dyan present ang atin nga Arduino. So after setting up, balik kita dyan sa atin nga board nga atin nga sketch. So sa instruction, no, one of the instruction hambal rin dyan na after successful installation, connect 2 tack switches and 2 LEDs on your breadboard.
Okay, so according sa ating instruction, we should put 2 tack switches, first tack switch, second tack switch, and then our 2 LEDs. Hit as LED number 1 and LED number 2. We're going to also use the resistors to resist the current flowing through our LEDs and avoid burning. And using our connecting wires, we're going to connect our switch number 1 to port number 2 of our Arduino. And then the switch number 2 is connected to our port number 3 of our Arduino. And then the other leg of our tack switch will be connected to the ground. Another one. And then on our LEDs, LED number 1 is connected to pin number 8. So pin number 8 is connected here. Pin number 8. And our LED number 2 is connected to pin number 9. And then also we're going to give supply. Our positive supply is here, negative supply is here. And then we're
Okay, so nakabata rin siya. LED number 1 is connected to pin 8. LED number 2 is connected to pin 9 of our Arduino. Switch number 1 is connected to pin 2. Switch number 2 is connected to pin 3. We're in our now after successfully na ma-run, i-check natin, verify, and then we're going to upload, no? Upload natin sa atin nga Arduino. Done uploading, na, and check. Okay, verify natin, and then after that, we're going to
test. So after uploading ang ating sketch sa ating Arduino, amo dyan ang resulta na. So if we press switch number, if we don't press any kind of switch, so ma-turn off ang LED. So but if we press down switch number 1, alternately nag-blink ang ating LED. But if we press down switch number 2, nag-blink sa both, no? So amo ra ang result ng ating homework number 1. Thank you.